Hey everyone, let's talk about the biggest disconnect in crypto. We have all this digital creation, but it's stuck in digital isolation. It's a world of value trapped behind the screen, totally separate from the world we can actually touch and see. That gap, it's what's holding Web3 back. Because if digital value can't empower the physical world, its impact will never be fully unlocked. At Meta Earth, we are done waiting, we are building a bridge, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. So, how do we build that bridge from digital to real life? It takes two foundational keys to make it feel real. First comes trust. This is our MeID. It's more than a profile. It's your verified on-chain passport. It proves you are real. It proves you are compliant. It means every payment is based on real trust, not just random wallet addresses. Second comes flexibility. The real world is highly complex, different assets, different laws, different needs. A one-size-fits-all approach will never gonna succeed. That's why our modular design is key. It's a smart, adaptable system that crafts custom-fit solutions for any asset, any rule, any region. This isn't just a dream. Our roadmap is clear. We're bringing real-world assets on-chain and launching a payment system that ties it all together, once and for all. So, what is the grand vision? What does this future truly look and feel like? Imagine a real estate that pays you rent, not in a bank but in your wallet. Imagine funding a green energy project and trading its carbon credits on a global transparent market. This is the future we are building, a future where Meta Earth becomes the global underlying network for everything of value, a place to trade, to track, to transact, connecting the digital with physical in a way that's simple, seamless, and secure. We are building more than just code, we are building a new economic code. It's a system where digital value empowers the real world and blockchain finally works for us all. If this is the future you want to be a part of, I invite you to learn more. Visit our website and download the MePass app to experience it firsthand. The future isn't just coming, we are building it. Join us and let's build it together.